What's up, investing iguanas? Iggy here with another insightful report that's sure to make waves in the shipbuilding industry. The investing iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with almost 500,000 reads. Today, we're diving deep into Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's record-breaking $21.7 billion order book. Brace yourselves, because this shipbuilding tsunami is about to hit the shores of the maritime world. In this video, I'll break down the massive numbers, explain what they mean for the company, and give you my take on whether this is a golden opportunity to ride the wave or a potential shipwreck waiting to happen. So, grab your life jackets and let's set sail. Let's start with the headline-grabbing news. Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's order book has swelled to a staggering $16.1 billion US, 21.7 billion Singapore dollars, as of May 24th. That's a record-breaking figure, folks. With a backlog of 193 vessels to be delivered by 2028, this shipbuilder is riding a wave of success. Now, let's break down the composition of this massive order book. Container ships take the lead with 66 vessels worth a whopping $9.3 billion US. But that's not all. Oil tankers, bulk carriers, and gas and ethane carriers are also part of the mix. This diverse portfolio ensures that Yangzijiang Shipbuilding isn't putting all its eggs in one basket. Indeed, there's more to the story. The shipbuilding industry, despite facing numerous challenges in recent years, has shown remarkable resilience. A testament to this resilience is the record-breaking order of $14.5 billion US for 182 vessels that was set at the end of 2023. This achievement is not just a number, but a beacon of hope and a symbol of the industry's potential. Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, a key player in the industry, has demonstrated its strength and strategic foresight. With a robust order book, the company has secured its revenue stream up until 2027. This level of revenue visibility is akin to having a crystal ball that reveals their financial future, providing a sense of security and predictability in an otherwise volatile market. Moreover, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding is not just securing orders but also efficiently delivering on them. The year 2024 has seen the company stay firmly on track to meet its delivery targets. Out of a goal of 63 vessels, 28 have already been successfully rolled out. This progress is a clear indication of the company's commitment to its clients and its competence in managing large-scale production. In an industry where the tides can turn quickly, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's achievements serve as a beacon guiding the way forward. The company's success story is a powerful reminder that with strategic planning, resilience, and efficient execution, it is possible to navigate through challenges and sail towards a promising future. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The company has strategically positioned itself to capitalize on the maritime industry's shift towards eco-friendly shipping. A significant portion of their business, approximately 54%, is now dedicated to constructing vessels that operate on alternative fuels such as methanol or liquefied natural gas. This not only reduces the carbon footprint of these vessels, but also aligns with the global trend towards more sustainable practices in all industries. One of the company's notable achievements in this area is the construction of a methanol dual-fuel cargo vessel. This vessel is currently being used by Express Feeders, a Singapore-based carrier. What makes this achievement particularly noteworthy is that this vessel was involved in Asia's first simultaneous methanol bunkering and cargo operations. This operation took place in Tuas Port on May 27, marking a significant milestone in the region's maritime history. This accomplishment underscores Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's commitment to innovation and sustainability. By focusing on greener vessels, the company is not only contributing to environmental conservation but also staying ahead of the curve in an industry that is increasingly prioritizing sustainability. This strategic focus positions Yangzijiang Shipbuilding as a leader in the shipbuilding industry, setting new standards for others to follow. It's truly fascinating to see how the company is shaping the future of maritime transportation with its sustainable practices. Based on the Analyst ratings and research available online, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's stock price outlook for 2024 appears positive. Here's an analysis of the key factors: strong order book and revenue visibility. Yangzijiang Shipbuilding reported a record order book of $16.1 billion US as of May 24, 2024, with 193 vessels to be delivered by 2028. This strong order book provides revenue visibility up to 2027, indicating a steady stream of income for the company in the coming years. The order book is particularly strong in the construction of greener vessels, with around 54% of new orders being for vessels that can run on alternative fuels like methanol or liquefied natural gas. This aligns with the industry's shift towards more environmentally friendly shipping solutions. Robust financial performance. In the fiscal year of 2023, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, a renowned shipbuilding company, experienced a significant growth in its financial performance. The company's revenue saw an impressive increase of 16.5% compared to the previous year, reaching a total of 24.1 billion renminbi. This substantial growth was primarily driven by the delivery of vessels that hold a higher value, coupled with favorable exchange rates that worked in the company's favor. Moreover, the company's net profit also saw a remarkable surge, increasing by 57% to reach a record-breaking 4.1 billion renminbi. This increase in net profit was supported by improved margins, which were a result of lower raw material costs and higher vessel prices. These factors combined led to a significant boost in the company's profitability. The strong financial performance of Yangzijiang Shipbuilding did not only reflect positively on its revenue and net profit, but also had a significant impact on its cash holdings. The robust financial health of the company enabled it to propose a higher final dividend for the fiscal year of 2023. The proposed dividend was 6.5 Singapore cents per ordinary share, which represents a dividend payout ratio of approximately 33.7%. This proposal indicates the company's commitment to sharing its success with its shareholders and reflects its confidence in its financial stability and future growth prospects. It also demonstrates the company's strategic approach to capital management, balancing reinvestment in the business with returns to shareholders. Positive analyst ratings and price targets. Several analysts have issued positive ratings and price targets for Yangzijiang Shipbuilding stock, reflecting their optimism about the company's prospects. DBS Research has a buy rating with a target price of 1 Singapore dollar and 90 cents, implying a potential upside of around 10% from the current share price. CGSCIMB has an add rating with a target price of 1 Singapore dollar and 96 cents, suggesting a potential upside of around 15%. UOBK Hyan has a buy rating with a target price of 1 Singapore dollar and 92 cents, indicating a potential upside of around 12%. The positive analyst ratings and price targets suggest that Yangzijiang Shipbuilding stock could potentially appreciate further in 2024, driven by its strong order book, robust financial performance, and the industry's shift towards greener vessels. Potential risks and challenges. While the outlook appears positive, it's important to consider potential risks and challenges that could impact Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's performance and stock price. Currency fluctuations. As the company's revenue is mainly in US dollars, any significant depreciation of the US dollar could negatively impact earnings. Global economic conditions. A slowdown in global trade or economic growth could dampen demand for new vessels and affect the company's order book. Competition. Increased competition from other shipbuilders, particularly in the construction of greener vessels, could put pressure on pricing and margins. Supply chain disruptions. Disruptions in the supply chain or fluctuations in raw material prices could impact the company's profitability. Overall, the strong order book, robust financial performance, and positive analyst ratings suggest that Yangzijiang Shipbuilding stock price could potentially appreciate further in 2024. However, investors should also consider the potential risks and challenges that could impact the company's performance and stock price. There you have it, investing iguanas. We've navigated through the choppy waters of Yangzijiang Shipbuilding's record-breaking order book. Whether you see it as a golden opportunity or a potential risk, one thing's for sure, this shipbuilding giant is making waves in the industry. If you found this report insightful, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps a lizard out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Investing Iguana for more financial wisdom and guidance towards your personal vision of prosperity. Until next time, this is Iggy signing off and wishing you fair winds and following seas in your investing journey.